Hello and welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate the technique in just a few minutes. Today I want to show you how the Glyph Script Toolbar can help you organize your favorite scripts for ease of use and quick execution when meshing in Fidelity Pointwise. So a very useful capability of Fidelity Pointwise is that everything you do from the GUI can be journaled or scripted. That will be key for automating your entire workflow, or maybe if you just want to simply automate a specific operation that you might repeatedly execute in your mesh generation process. And all of these capabilities are packed right here in the script menu in the Pointwise's GUI. Here you can start journaling by recording all the steps you take interactively, so you could later replay that script to repeat the entire process. And you can also write your own scripts tailored for your specific applications. And the Glyph documentation is available with detailed info about each command and some examples. Additionally, you have access to many scripts available on our GitHub page. Now, let's say you have a script that performs a specific task, for example, for tessellating the geometry using the conformal model measure, or maybe a script to convert domains or blocks to source point clouds. If you repeatedly use a script, it would be easier if you could add that script to your toolbar so that it would always be ready to go with a single click, right? Let me show you how to do that. As an example, I have a script called grid to source that I downloaded from our GitHub page. And this is designed to convert a grid entity, let's say a domain or a block, to a point source cloud. I've downloaded the script to my computer, and I can execute it from the script menu. But I expect to use this script a lot in my meshing process, so I would like to add it to the script toolbar. Let's go to the script menu and click on Script Toolbar Manager. I already have several scripts, as you can see here, that I've added to my toolbar. So let me go ahead and add a new one. Here the pop-up wants me to browse to where the script I want to use is located. And I select the script. And once I select the script, I can now change the name or even modify the type. I can also choose an icon for this script so that when it's added to my toolbar, I can quickly recognize it out of the other scripts that I have already added to the toolbar. And so let's select this one, which kind of like matches what I want to do with the script, and click OK. If you have more than one script added to your toolbar, like I have here, you can even move them around to put them in your desired order. And once you're done, click OK. So now I have my script added right here to the toolbar, and I can execute it whenever I want with just a single click. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.